So I am doing a video today to dye my hair blue. Quarantine, things we do in quarantine. I am not someone who does videos. I've never done a video before. I am not a professional hairstylist, as you will soon find out. If anyone watches this video, have fun. Maybe Brad Monto will watch this video and have a field day, because who knows how this will turn out. I'm gonna use today Lime Crime Unicorn Hair Semi-Permanent. I'm gonna use colors Anime, which they call a candy blue. Lighting's terrible because, like I said, don't do videos, so don't have any beautiful lighting, just have some natural light here. I'm gonna use color Mystic, which is also kind of the reason I'm doing this video, because this is a new color. There weren't any videos, I think, since Lime Crime has come out with a few videos of their own. And it paid a few people to do the videos, which didn't really turn out that great. So we'll see how that goes. And then I'm gonna use their unicorn hair, like color diluter, because I'm a little bit scared to dye on my whole head blue. And we'll see how that goes. I have some clips here. I have some gloves here I'm gonna put on. I have a bowl. I have a, yeah, real technical, kitchen rubber spatula I'm gonna use. And then, so I came home a couple days and my house was super, super clean, and I was super impressed with my husband. Turns out he was just throwing everything away. So, or just putting things places. So I can't find my hair color application brush anywhere. I did, however, find this wide, synthetic paintbrush. So that should be super fun to apply color with. We'll see how it goes. I did my makeup just in case somebody watches this video. We'll see how this goes. But yeah, I'm gonna jump in and put my gloves on and dilute this color. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the Mystic up top, and I'm gonna go root to bottom. I only got 3. The website said that for shoulder to long hair, thick hair, which I have, and have been told I have by my hairdressers, that you need 2 to 3 tubs. So that's what I bought, based on the website. I'm going to do this darker true blue, with half of this bottle, from my roots to the middle, and then mix the Anime and the rest of the half of this bottle, and then blend from around my jaw to the end, because it does thin out, as everyone's hair does, right? Down to the root, down to the base. Let's kind of see how this goes. By the way, this product smells really good, and that's what all the reviews said too. So this product smells fantastic. It smells like my best friend's mom's perfume. So like a little bit of vanilla, but like not sweet vanilla like a candle, just like an undertone, and then really, really pretty. Just really pretty. So it smells really, really good. And then everything else I read said that it's very conditioning when you put it on your hair. So anyway, bought 3 bottles of this. But yeah, by the way, I have wine for support for later. Gotta be prepared, right? Just in case. But let's dump this in. Ooh, that's really blue. I have an orange bowl here, so like, it's just gonna look black to you because I've got shit lighting. Children watch this, don't. Because I have a sailor mouth. I have on a shirt I don't care about, which the directions said, or a towel or a cape. I have clips over here as well. My favorite clips. I love these little clippies. Little crab clippies. Oh, there it all goes. Oof. Oof. Great sound effect, right? Yeah. Let's just get it all out. And then like these leggings, they're actually long johns. I really don't care about. I'm like high up in the mountains. We have so much snow right now. We're quarantined. We have a stay-at-home ordinance. They like to say it. No one, yeah. Have you noticed that? Like no one is used. Like no officials use the term quarantine. I think they think it's like too scary. We're the only ones that use the term. Ooh, this is a lot. Like when you get it out of the bottle. But all right, I have all the blue in there. I am gonna go in with the dilution. If I don't use it all, and I use what I need to on my head, I can put it back in the bottle and I can use it to retouch up later. Cool beans, right? Oh, it smells so good. I know everyone says that when they use Lime Crimes product, so I knew to expect that. And the coverage is nice. I knew to expect that too. I watched enough videos to be like, it covers better than other products that they compared it to. Like, I'm not going to say because that's rude, but because I haven't used those products, but it has a thinner application process. Oh, there it goes on my forehead. See, I knew that was going to happen because I'm no professional, and, and even girls who aren't professionals, but who do this, kind of a lot, you get better at it. Practice makes perfect, right? But we're going to go in there real careful, like, and now it's on my arm. See, I knew this was going to at least be comical. Gosh, I shed like a golden retriever. I will say, I'm going to go out here and say this. She's going to kill me. My best friend is a hairdresser, so if I fuck this up, she's going to be like, you know better. I feel like they always are, right? Like, you know better than this. I mean, I did consult her before I did this. Although, I mean, like, to be honest, like, look at me. I'm applying this with a damn hairbrush. Could see this, he would say, well, he loves saying, bleach doesn't lather, honey, or color doesn't lather, honey. I know, it doesn't lather, but like, I'm just trying to get full saturation. I can hear you in my head, Brad Mondo. I can hear you. Huh?
Yeah, the smallest ones you can find.
Smallest ones what? No, that's the only ones they had. We're in a pandemic, honey. Seamless. Everyone, so it's the next day because I ran out of daylight and I don't have good lighting in my house. It just like makes everything look green. But yeah, this is how my hair turned out. I've curled it. You can see where I used the Mystic, where it's this darker blue. I obviously didn't come down far enough here, but I'm really happy with how my hair turned out. It's this beautiful blue color. It turned gray, kind of, on like my roots, my natural hair. In this beautiful candy floss blue, cotton candy blue down below, and this true blue underneath where I did come down far enough. Yeah, this is how it turned out. I couldn't be happier. A couple notes. It did turn my bathtub blue. I will say that. It did turn my hands blue, which is now faded a little bit. But the first day my hands were very, very blue just from rinsing it out because I did wear gloves the whole entire time. But very, very happy with the product. Very happy with how my hair turned out. I'll put some pictures in here. But yeah, very happy with the new blue me. Yeah, couldn't really be happier with how this went. I did wind up with a whole bottle left of that anime color, which is awesome, and about a quarter to a third of a bottle left of the Mystic color. So I do have enough left to touch up. Remember, I did use the Dilute on that, so great coverage. Way to go, unicorn hair. This is a lot of hair to cover. So whole process wound up taking me over an hour and a half. I left everything on an hour and a half, maybe a little bit longer. But yeah, incredibly, incredibly pleased with my hair. Really love my new aesthetic. And I think I'll keep it for a little while. Interested to see how it fades, too. But big change. Yeah. Thanks.